AIMIM Chief Saduddin Owaisi hits out at the Mahagathbandhan Deputy Chief Minister pick Mukesh Sahni and says that Muslims have been ignored by the Mahagathbandhan. Owaisi says, and I quote, "These are 3% and are saying that if the government is formed, then the Chief Minister will be ours. If the son of Mullah can become the Deputy Chief Minister, then can't the son of Adam, who is 17%, become the Chief Minister? I want to ask you that if the Mullah community, whose population is 3%, and sitting beside Tejashwi Yadav says that we will be the Deputy Chief Minister, I'm giving a message to the 17% minority people. They are 3% and you should look at their power." This is the message and this is the statement from Saduddin Owaisi, who is the AIMIM chief, once again attacking the Mahagathbandhan over ignoring the Muslims in the state.
मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूं, अगर मल्ला समाज जो 3% की आबादी है और वो तेजस्वी के बाजू बैठकर कहता है कि हम उप मुख्यमंत्री होंगे, मैं ढाका की आवाम को और बिहार की जनता को और खास तौर से वो 17% अल्पसंख्यक समाज को एक पैगाम दे रहा हूं। 3% है और उनकी ताकत को देखो आप, उनके सियासी शऊर से सबक हासिल करो आप, और उनकी बहादुरी को देखो कि 3% और कह रहे हैं कि अगर हमारी सरकार बनेगी तो मुख्यमंत्री हमारा होगा। बताओ आप 17% है, अगर मल्ला का बेटा उप मुख्यमंत्री बन सकता तो क्या आदम का बेटा मुख्यमंत्री नहीं बन सकता? हमको जवाब दो।
मुसलमान के साथ भारतीय जनता पार्टी जब से सरकार आई है दुश्मनी पे आमादा है। उनके मकानात बुलडोज किए जा रहे हैं, 3 तलाक, वक्फ, यूनिफॉर्म सिविल कोड जैसे कानून बनाए जा रहे हैं। इसलिए मुसलमान की मजबूरी है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी को हटाने के लिए अपोजिशन को मजबूत करे और ताकतवर करे। ये जिम्मेदारी इंडिया की है कि जिस ताकत के साथ मुसलमान उनके साथ खड़ा है उसको इज्जत दें। बिहार के अंदर निश्चित तौर से एक मुस्लिम डिप्टी चीफ मिनिस्टर बनना ही चाहिए। 19% वोट है और वो 99% इंडिया के साथ खड़ा है, उसको कैसे नज़रअंदाज किया जा सकता है? तो डेफिनेटली उनको डिप्टी चीफ मिनिस्टर बनाना चाहिए।
And my colleague Aishwarya Pariwal is now joining us with more details on this. Aishwarya, the AIMIM has once again targeted the Mahagathbandhan over its Deputy Chief Minister pick, saying that the Mahagathbandhan is completely ignoring the Muslims in the state.
Well, you know, one thing that Saduddin Owaisi, who hit the ground running, has very, very clearly said is the fact that no one is willing to give Muslims their due. He also spoke about the fact that if you just look at the data, close to 17% Muslims in the state of Bihar, but despite that, no one ever speaks about the fact that there should be a Deputy Chief Minister. They also go ahead and say that one thing is very, very clear, and that is the fact that even though there are people, 4%, 5% of the entire population of the state of Bihar, but they are the ones who are being made the Deputy Chief Minister. He in fact also spoke about the fact that the heartbeats of Nitish Kumar, Lalu Yadav, and even in fact reached Prime Minister Narendra Modi, but said that their hearts do not beat for Muslims. So this is something that the Muslims should keep in mind. Let me also tell you, he also believes that this time AIMIM will be able to garner all the Muslim votes, also pointing fingers and saying that Muslims need to be united and need to tell both Nitish Kumar and Lalu Prasad Yadav that enough is enough.
All right, Aishwarya, thank you so much for all those details.